In this segment, we'll highlight important safety and pre-installation tips to know before you begin installation. Make sure to install the product in accordance with local and national electrical codes. If you have any doubts or questions about the electrical connections, or you need an electrical junction box installed, contract a licensed electrician. In certain jurisdictions, this product needs to be installed by a licensed electrician. Check with local authorities for applicable requirements. The product must be mounted on a surface capable of supporting the full weight of the product. Ensure the voltage marked on the product is the same as the electrical power supply to be used. Do not connect to a dimmer switch or a timer. Do not rely on the wall switch alone to turn off the power. Always turn off electricity at the main circuit breaker or fuse box before installation. Failing to do so could result in serious injury, electrical shock, and/or risk of fire. Do not open or disassemble the product. There are no user-serviceable parts inside. Before you begin installation of the product, it's important that you confirm the availability of Wi-Fi as well as the signal level at the desired installation location. Wi-Fi quality can vary significantly at different locations around the home due to environmental factors, such as home construction type and wireless interference from other electronic devices. To check Wi-Fi coverage, connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network band of your wireless router. The camera is only compatible with 2.4 GHz networks. Place your phone where you're planning to install the floodlight unit. If you have Wi-Fi connection on your phone, the camera will also be able to obtain Wi-Fi connection. Check the Wi-Fi icon on your phone. We recommend a minimum of 1 bar showing on your phone's Wi-Fi icon as shown. Further testing should be performed if the Wi-Fi signal strength is only 1 bar. To avoid any potential Wi-Fi connection issues later, try playing a video on a media streaming service app, for example YouTube or Netflix, through your phone. If possible, temporarily pause activities like online gaming and video streaming on other devices connected to your network while you perform testing. This can affect the connection speed and quality. If you don't experience any video streaming issues, you can proceed with the installation. If you're getting a weak Wi-Fi signal or you can't connect at all on your phone to the installation site, we recommend moving your router closer, installing a Wi-Fi extender, or selecting another location. Do not proceed with the installation of this product until you have thoroughly tested and confirmed the availability of a reliable Wi-Fi connection at your desired location. Before you install the camera, download the Swann security app. We're always striving to improve the app, and consequently, this video may not match its current state of development. For the latest instructions, access the manual via the app itself, or go to support.swann.com and search Swann Security App Manual. Using the app is virtually identical on an iOS device and an Android device. We'll show you the steps on an iOS device, and you'll be able to follow along for either type of device. Go to your app store and search for Swann Security. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to install and accept any licensing requirements that may appear. After you've completed all the steps, sign into the Swann Security app.